The Center for Distance and Online Education, Azhappa University welcomes you all. As per the guidelines of UGC DEB, students who wish to study any program through open and distance learning and online learning need to create an unique DEB-ID to successfully enroll in a program. This video will help you to create your unique DEB-ID. Open the Azhappa University homepage. Online admission. Under new candidate registration, click apply now. To create a unique DEB-ID, you need to have ABC-ID first. So click here to create ABC-ID. The page will be redirected to Academic Bank of Credits. In My Account, select Student. The page will be redirected to DigiLocker. If you have the account, you can open it or sign up to create a new account. Now enter the mobile number what you have registered with your Aadhaar. Click Generate OTP. So enter the OTP what you have received in your mobile number and click Verify OTP. Once the mobile number is verified, you select the identity type as Aadhaar and enter your full name as it is seen in the Aadhaar. Enter your date of birth in the given format. Select the gender. Type your own unique username. Type a 6-digit security PIN. Confirm by typing the 6-digit security PIN once again. Click the checkbox to give consent. Click Verify. The page will be now redirected to DigiLocker Academic Bank of Credits. Click Allow to give consent to share the details with Academic Bank of Credits. Now KYC verification, select Aadhaar and click Proceed with KYC. Now enter your Aadhaar number. And click Verify. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number which is registered with Aadhaar. Enter the OTP. Click Submit. The page will be redirected to Academic Bank of Credits. Now select the identity type as New Admission. I am a student at Azhappa University, Azhappa Nagar, Karaikudi. And select the admission year and click Submit. Now a unique APAR student account is created. You can view your Academic Bank of Credits APAR ID. Now you have to create the DEB-ID. So click here to create DEB-ID. So now the page is redirected to Distance Education Bureau. Now enter the ABC-ID what you have created now. Enter. You have to type your email. Type your mobile number that is registered with Aadhaar. Click the checkbox to agree the terms and click Submit. Now a unique DEB-ID is created which will help you to get admission in universities. Click OK. Enter the ABC-ID what we have created. Click Yes and then type your DEB-ID. Click Submit. Now the registration page is opened. You can proceed with the registration for admission. Thank you.